Adding friends on Hulu allows you to keep up with what your friends are watching. To add friends, first click on your profile, then Friends, then Find Friends. You can look for friends that you already know on Facebook, MySpace, or from one of your email address books. Or you can search for them on Hulu by entering in their email address or first and last name. And here's someone I know, so I'll just check off this box and send them a friend request. Once they've accepted, I'll be able to see what they're watching, their recent activity on Hulu, and I can view their profile by clicking on their name. You can also write each other notes. You can check out what they're watching here. And also subscribe to the shows they love. Back in your profile, in your subscription settings, you can choose if you want to subscribe to all episodes or only new ones. You can also choose to make them private or public here, and click the trash can to unsubscribe. You can choose to receive an email alert when there's a new video to watch and when a video in your queue is about to expire. Managing your queue and subscriptions really helps you keep up with everything you want to watch. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in your guide to finding great video on Hulu series.